Some creators are basically crying now because they have no idea how their 1 million views YouTube shorts get them only $30. And while another creator with a long form videos of 10,000 views are earning times 10 of what they're earning on their YouTube shorts. So we are going to look into the real payment number to settle the debate. Short video or long form, where exactly the money lies. So let's go. The key to earning on both YouTube short and the long video is RPM. So on the creator that is creating YouTube shorts, there is a research that shows that they are earning between 30 cents to 10 cents, maximum 20 cents for creators that are living right here in Nigeria. And basically their views is from Nigeria, okay? And for those creators that are outside Nigeria, maybe in USA, in Canada, their views are different, their CPM are different, so they will have a different earning. So 1 million on YouTube short can earn you literally between $30 to $100. Now let's check long video. The RPM often start at $2. Actually, minimums of $2 when we are talking about, in Nigeria. I'm talking about Nigeria now specifically, not as a country. Their own is actually different. So instead of $2, they might have their own start from $5 or $6 upward, okay? So on long form video, the same 1 million views that earn you $30 to $100 can actually earn you up to $1,000 to $2,000 on YouTube long video. So why is it like that? Number one, YouTube are directly sent ads to long video, but on YouTube short, it is different. You earn money from gap ad, not from your own video. The ad that you earn money from, it will come after your video that pop up, but this one, it came directly. And some video are actually lucky if they have a video that is longer than 8 minutes to 10 minutes, so whereby YouTube can display an ad on their video like 2 to 3 times, okay, and that is part of the earning. So if I'm going to recommend you a YouTube short, I will ask you to use it wisely because it can only help you for visibility and the discovery. All right, it can help you generate a lot of subscribers. Mind you, it can help you generate a lot of subscribers and can help you generate a lot of new viewers. The real money lines on long video. If this breakdown help you out, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, and the comment. So which one do you want to do now? Do you want to go for short or do you want to go for long video? The answer is not about choosing one. The answer is using it smartly. So you look at your long form content as a place where your money comes in, and you look at your short form content as something that drives in new viewers to your real content, which is your videos, the one that will earn you more money. So if you found this video help you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.